Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make and then further sell your, templates or your presets on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, to actually sell your templates or your presets, there are two ways, one of which is to actually get hired by Squarespace and become one of their official developers of those presets. Now you're of course most likely going to be paid a salary, not going to be paid based on the amount of presets. I'm actually not sure. That's just what I assume, since Squarespace is a company and you might become their full-time developer and then you'll get the money by working for them. You do need to be proficient in HTML, CSS, maybe PHP and other languages which are included in creating presets for Squarespace, or you can do it on an individual level and just sell presets that you actually make yourself. Now, if you just made a preset yourself and you want to sell it through whichever channel you know, what you're going to need to do is you're going to add your client as your contributor to your site and then transfer the ownership to them. To do this, just go into settings, go into permissions and ownership, click here and then invite contributor. You're going to add their name and you're going to add their email address. It really doesn't matter what they are. I don't have anybody to help me out with this, so I can't invite anybody, but they need to have administrator privileges activated. They need to have all these privileges and make sure they're an administrator. And once you have them as an admin, just go over to your account, click transfer ownership. You're going to be asked to log in again as a preventative security measure. Then just enter your account again. And once you're done with that, you can choose the admin from the transfer ownership page in this drop down menu. You can also click continue and follow these steps after you select them. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.